What's up? What's up? What's up? It's Justin from CMB, Credit Money Budget, Mr. CMB, Credit Money Budget. Shout out to everybody who's liking and subscribing to this channel. Now, what I want to get into is basically something I see a lot, and a lot of you probably can relate to this, that everything's going up. And we have to understand we're in a different world, but you have to look at it like this. This is a world of opportunity. It's opportunity everywhere that you look. And you just have to notice that it's right in front of you. But I think the hardest thing for most people is just picking something and do it. And that's what you need to do. Pick something and do it. Like, for instance, if you're watching YouTube videos, you could start a YouTube channel. Like, I have a YouTube channel, like right now that you're watching right now. That's one thing you could do. You could possibly find like another skill that you could do. Maybe doing tech, maybe doing real estate, building your real estate business on the side while you're still working. Or maybe you're already an entrepreneur and want to get into real estate and you can build your real estate business. Now, there's different ways you can do that. Obviously, I teach about one specific way that leads you into other ways, but it's just more so for time freedom, to have a little bit more time. But anyway, my original point is I want you to actually sit down and take the time to actually think about what it is you want to do, which way you want to make money. It could be e-commerce. It could be, some of you do gig jobs, which I don't suggest you doing for long because there's really no long-term money in it. Maybe just get up some money for like maybe a month and that's about it. Get out of that. But to make some real money, you need to get some skill sets. And if you don't have skill sets, then you need to just try some things. Videography for YouTube. Maybe you could be editor for YouTube. There's different verticals in each category that you choose. So you just got to pick something and do it. And then you might not even know if you're good at it or not. And maybe you will be good at it. But one of the most important things is just actually doing it. See, the problem is like, it's a give and take. Right now, I'm producing this video. I'm producing when I work. I'm producing when I'm actually putting these videos out. Having them edited, being put out there for potential business and for ad revenue. So these are the things you have to understand, is when you're doing something, you have to be more productive. Like, be more productive than actually trying to consume. You shouldn't be a consumer. But the thing is, the way everything is set up, the way society is set up, even what you watch in this video, where most people aren't going to do anything, which I know most people are just going to watch this. They're going to get that dopamine hit and that'll be it. And maybe they'll actually do it, but usually like 1 to 5% actually take action. But the thing is I want you to actually do something when you see this video. When you're done with this video, sit down and think about something that you want to do and actually just do it. And when I mean do it, start today. Start today. Okay, so this is more of a message, not more of just educating you about things. Because the thing is, watching this YouTube video, it feels good. That's great, because I'm going to benefit off of it the same way you benefit off of your work and your value that you add. But the thing is, pick something and just start doing it and do it. You can't expect to do things right out the gate. It's just a matter of doing it. But what I want you to understand is there's so much opportunity, even with AI. Even with AI, you could have an AI business. Maybe you could just offer a service with AI. You know, there's many different ways you could look at things. The most important thing is to pick an idea and just do it. Take it and run with it. Don't even think about it. So I hope this video helps. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.